News is South Carolina's fetal heartbeat law is now in effect. That word coming down late this afternoon from State Attorney General Alan Wilson. The fetal heartbeat law bans abortions around 6 weeks. That's when a heartbeat is detected. There are exceptions for rape, incest, or to save the mother's life. It also requires the mother to be given the opportunity to view an ultrasound to hear her child's heartbeat and to receive information about her child's development. In his announcement today, the State Attorney General said that our state is now carrying out a government's most sacred and fundamental duty, protecting life. And moments ago, Governor McMaster tweeted about the news, saying the state has spent nearly a year and a half defending the fetal heartbeat law in court. The governor added that countless unborn children will be saved because of this new law. Meanwhile, McMaster's Democrat opponent in November says the state of South Carolina should hold off implementing the new law until after the November election. Take a listen.
I trust women to make their own health care decisions. I support women to control their own bodies. I support women who have had their innocence ripped away. And I support women who have had their rights ripped away. And let me be clear, when I'm governor and a bill that bans abortions with no exceptions comes to my desk, I will veto it so hard it'll make your head spin.
We have much more on today's fetal heartbeat decision on our website right now. Simply go to WLTX.com.